Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a little unboxing video. I purchased my very first ring light from Amazon. I got the Neewer ring light. I believe that's how you pronounce it. It's pretty popular. I've seen a few reviews on it, so I decided to do my own. I'm gonna unbox it and most likely do kind of a little assembly video here, show y'all what it looks like, and yeah, that's about it. So I'm a little bit worried because the box that it came in says fragile on it, but Amazon packaged it in a bigger box and that box doesn't have fragile on it. So I'm worried that it's gonna be broken, but hopefully not. We'll see what happens. Okay, I'm gonna try to lift it up. It might be heavy, but. So mind you, it came in another box a little bit bigger than this, but when you open up that bigger box, this is what it looked like. See, it has fragile on here, but it didn't have it on the other box. So yeah, and it just has a little thing that I'm holding it by. So I'm about to open it up and let's see what it looks like inside. So it just has like two little tabs, one right here and then another one on the upper side. So I'm just gonna open it like so. Okay, so as soon as I open it, this is the first piece that came out. I'm assuming this is the legs tripod part. So, oh yeah, we gonna be assembling. Yeah. This is the tripod part. Oh yeah. Okay, so this is what it is. Comes in the case straight out of the box. So hopefully it was nice and protected. And this is what she looks like, period. Okay, so we have another box. I'm assuming these are the panels. This is the little Bluetooth remote that it comes with. The little tripod piece, or the piece that holds your phone. Doesn't look like it. Okay, yeah. Has that little pulley thing to adjust. These are the orange panels that it comes with. It has a whole little instruction guide. Well, that's not English. Here we go. Here's the English side. And then these are the white panels. Which are typically the ones that everybody uses. Alright, and this is the actual ring light part. So I believe I got the 18-inch. I think that's the biggest one. I honestly have no clue, but that's the size that I got. This is what she looks like. Straight out the box. Okay, so that's everything straight out of the box, how it came, what it looks like for me. And I'm just gonna go ahead and assemble this off camera and bring it back and show you guys what it's looking like. Okay, so I decided to just show a little bit of the process. So this is the tripod part, or the stand. Make sure y'all unfold the legs, press them out and down because it's gonna come folded up. Press them all the way down because I thought that I thought it was a malfunction already. Okay, and you're gonna loosen this part right here. I don't know why it's folded like that, but like that. So it should be facing downward. Like it's gonna come this way with the legs folded down that way, and you're gonna press them all the way out and stand it up. And this part should be facing the top. Okay, so this is what the ring light is looking like. I got it all set up. I just gotta plug it in. I snapped the panels on. It takes some playing with to get it like perfect, but snapped the panels on, adjusted it, and I'd say it's pretty sturdy. So yeah, I'm about to power it up, turn it on, and let's see what it's hitting for. Oh, I have to just install, I don't know what this piece is for. If you follow the instructions, it's pretty self-explanatory. Like, it gives you step-by-step instructions. It's not hard to put together at all. Okay, so the last part I'm gonna install is the little smartphone piece. So I'm just gonna do that now. Okay, got that on. Okay, you guys, so I got the ring light all set up how I want it. All I'm going to do now is plug it in, and I'm gonna try this Bluetooth device thing, see if it works. But yes, the setup and assembly was super easy. It probably took me like 10 minutes, 10 to 15 minutes. It should take you no more than 30 minutes, like, for real. And that's like max, but it really took me about 10 minutes to piece it all together and put it up how I like. So I'm about to show you guys what it looks like with it on, and I'm gonna put my phone into the smartphone little tripod piece, and we're gonna see what it's looking like. Okay, you guys, so I got the ring light all set up. I put my phone right in the center, so I got y'all in the circle or whatever. And yeah, this is with the ring light off, of course, and I'm just gonna turn the switch on and show y'all what it's looking like with it on. Once again, the assembly process was super easy. It took me about 10 minutes. One day I'll try putting the orange panels in, but I'm gonna try with the white ones for now. And yeah, I'm just gonna turn it on and show you guys what it's looking like. I also downloaded the app and got the Bluetooth set up, so I'm gonna try this out. I think I heard mixed reviews about it, but I'm honestly not sure. But I'll maybe try to take some pictures using the Bluetooth as well and use that maybe as a thumbnail. So all right, I'm gonna turn it on, show y'all what it's looking like. I don't got no makeup on, y'all, so please, I never have on makeup, but y'all gonna see my little imperfection. Let's see. All right, so this is the lowest setting. What I'm on right now is like the lowest that it could go. It has a dimmer on it. So all right, so here, boom boom. Ooh wee, you guys don't even need it this bright. Like, there's no reason as to why you should need a ring light this bright. Like, this thing is very bright, as you can see. Like, you can see a whole shadow back here. But if you want to blind yourself, you could turn it up to the highest setting, but I'm just gonna turn it down. So this is what it's looking like with the ring light on. As you can see, the light is very bright. I only have one other light on up here above me, but other than that, I just have my windows open, and yeah, the light is pretty bright, if I do say so myself. Okay, hit you with the they be hiding the remote in their hands, y'all. If you didn't know, these Instagram people be hiding the remote in their hand. If y'all didn't know the trick, you get your little Bluetooth tripod, you put the remote in your hand like so, and you just pose, serve. I know a lot of people who do it. Lyric Galore actually tweeted that that's how she takes most of her pictures. Okay guys, so this is with the ring light on. It's super bright, and I don't even have it turned up all the way. I probably will never have it turned up all the way because I have eye problems and bright lights hurt. But this is well worth the money if you're thinking about purchasing the Neewer ring light. I definitely suggest it. It was super easy to put together. The light is definitely giving, okay, as it should. Okay, you guys, so once again, if you were thinking about purchasing this ring light, definitely give it a go. I purchased mine on Amazon at the time for, I believe, somewhere from $100 to $110, and it came super fast. And yeah, there's not much to it. Assembly was easy, the price was well worth it, and the light gets way brighter than the setting that I currently have it on. So if you like a super bright, powerful light, this is a good ring light option. And I can't speak too much on the Bluetooth portion because I haven't used it yet, but I'll leave a comment in the description box of this video. So yeah, thank you guys so very much for watching this video. Please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. I can't wait to have more content on the way for you all, more tutorials, more unboxing videos, and yeah. Oh, if you purchased the Neewer ring light, definitely leave me a comment down below. Let me know if you're anxiously awaiting your package. And I'm trying to think of more things I could say, but it's a light, like it's just a light. That's about it. yeah, so that's really about it. Once again, thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it. And yeah, I don't have no cute little catchphrase yet, but I'll catch y'all in my next video.